This video explains how to replace the imaging kit for the Xerox Versalink B415 multifunction printer. The imaging unit is accessible from the front of the printer. Press the button at the right side of the door to open Door A. Firmly grip the cartridge handle, then remove the toner cartridge. Remove the used imaging unit from the printer. Unpack the new black imaging unit. Remove the outer protective cover of the imaging unit. Remove the plastic tapes and red loop from both the sides of the imaging unit. To redistribute the toner in the imaging unit, shake it 3 times. Be careful to protect the imaging unit from fingerprints and light. Insert the new imaging unit straight into the printer. Insert the toner cartridge back into the printer. Close Door A and push it until it clicks into place.